Today I show you Vauxhall Corsa 2017 timing, chain replacement and timing marks. First put the timing plate at the back side of game. Here you have two cut, one here and one here. I already put inside new timing and camshaft timing is here. Lock the cam and I show you the crank, how to lock the crank. And open one bolt from here, the front of engine, and this is a special tool for a crank lock. This one tool lock from here inside the crank. This crank is locked from here. This one I show you. This one take it out. This is a special tool for crankshaft. This one going from here and lock the crank. This is timing for Vauxhall Corsa 1.4. Thanks for watching.